Good morning guys! Short ride lang sa UP. May mga kasama ako ngayon. Ito, kasama ko na si Paring Jun. Tapos si Boss A. Kikitain na lang namin sa UP. Welcome back to cycling, eh! Huwag ka na ulit nakapadyak ka. Hey!
7 hours driving on the highway. Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regrets was such a waste, such a waste, such a waste.
Nandito na kami sa UP at nakita na rin namin si Boss A. Konting kamustahan dahil matagal kami hindi nagkasama sa padyak. Nung May pa pala ang last meet namin, bike demo, dito rin sa UP.
Yung ano, bike demo?
I'm going all the way up, up. I'm going all the way up,
Boss A, para nakukuha na kayo.
I'm letting go in my heart, heart.
May dadaanan nga pala kami dito mga bird watchers. Ang babait nila, nabigyan kami ng chance na makasilip sa mga naispatan nilang ibon.
I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make it, not afraid to fall. And there should be high,
Sakter na. Maraming baril.
like a stranger on a foreign land.
Konting kwentuhan tapos ibat na para makapagpa-picture-picture kami dun sa may tulay.
I could get along,
Yari
could
tayo
be a
dito.
different man.
Picture muna tayo dito.
Walking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up, up. I'm going all the way up, up. I'm letting go in my heart, heart, of everything that holds me down, no, no. And it's feeling like I'm in above. I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make it, not afraid to fall. And there should be high,
Mas ano dito, mas dito kasi kilala natin dyan.
got a reason, the horizon.
Solo picture ka dyan, oh, ang ganda niyan.
And it was our
Dahil napahinga sila sa padyak, dinala ko sila sa ruta na hindi pa nila napapadyakan dito sa loob ng UP.
that we can grow. It's a clean slate, got a reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow. And it's feeling like I'm in above. I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make it, not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me.
Pagkatapos namin mag-rounds at picture-picture, nakaramdam na kami ng gutom. Kaya nag-breakfast muna kami ng malala. Hanggang dito na lang ulit mga idol. Salamat sa panonood and ride safe lagi.